plaster, because it won't stick otherwise. Get the idea. It won't be even, but it doesn't matter because it's an old wall, it's an old piece of timber. And then I'll go over it with the fine plaster, and just because this also is a bit sandy, I don't have enough fine plaster to do all this, so I've gone back to the rough old stuff, which is again lime plaster. Just to, no, I don't know, I hope it's not going to fall off. Trouble is, it won't stick properly because there's such a lot of it missing, and you've got to make what you're putting it on really wet in order for it to stick.